Bees are buzzing, birds are chirping, and frogs are croaking. What a dream! But the reality of today's world is much different. Insects and other animal species are at risk of going extinct. According to a study by scientists from the University of Arizona, we could lose a third of all animal species within the next 50 years if we as humans don't change our behavior. And that's why in a beekeeping club we should focus on environmental protection as well. This doesn't mean looking after bees only. Nature consists of a huge number of species of flowers and animals, including birds, snakes, serpents, fish, and so many more. In a beekeeping club, young beekeepers learn comprehensively about nature and the kinds of animals and flowers that humans need to protect, and that we should support biodiversity of the places where we live. But what does biodiversity actually mean? Let's see the definition. Biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on Earth. Biodiversity is typically a measure of variation at the genetic, species, and ecosystem level. A beekeeping club can support biodiversity as well, for example by protecting habitats of various animals like birds. For lizards, snakes and frogs we can build rock gardens or herb spirals. For pollinators and other insects we can craft an insect house. What's also important is to take care of our lawns. We shouldn't wish for the perfect English lawn, but perhaps plant a flower field that we mow twice a year. When we're outdoors, we shouldn't disturb the surroundings, right? Sophie, you stop being so wild, and you girls turn that music off, and you, Steve, please pick that bottle up. Because if we're all silent and calm, we can observe the wild birds. But what if we're just not lucky outdoors with our search for animals? Cooperation with environmental centers or centers for animal protection brings so many advantages. For instance, here, kids get to see animals from real close. But it's always better to see real animals.
Nacházíme se v areálu naučného střediska ekologické výchovy Kladno na Čabárně, kde realizujeme spoustu výukových programů pro děti a školní kolektivy. Máme tady expozici zvířat z volné přírody, protože spolupracujeme se záchrannou stanicí AVES, která teda zachraňuje zvířata z volné přírody. A pak máme zookoutek hospodářských zvířat, právě protože jsme v blízkosti největšího středočeského města, tak aby děti získaly povědomí o hospodářských zvířatech tak, jak je známe z vesnice a z dvorečku našich babiček a dědečků. Včelařské kroužky mládeže jsou většinou zaměřený víc jednostranně na včelařství. My se tady snažíme vytvářet areál a podmínky pro to, aby děti získávaly všeobecnou povědomost o přírodní rozmanitosti a pestrosti, která je ku prospěchu nejenom teda včelám a dalším opylovatelům, ale i celé přírodě.
Nature is a complicated mosaic, and in order to protect it, we have to treat it as a whole. If young people get to know nature and understand how to protect it, then the catastrophic scenarios of scientists might not happen at all. See you next time. Bye bye!